We're gonna rip it out because I don't need it. We're gonna make it front wheel drive. So what you think?
Did we have it all out like that last time?
Here it is.
Your wheels.
We can't get it yanked off. How do we yank this? How did we do this last time?
I don't recall having trouble with that.
I don't either. I can hold it because one of the top bolt parts are out. Sorry for swearing, Howie.
What's coming off today? I haven't got all those bolts out.
Thank God I got those bolts out.
I'm pulling you with me, Lord.
Yeah, pull me. Pull me, Captain.
Extra drive shaft.
Big catch of the day.
We got the big catch of the day.
Okay, ready?
We're thinking it may not be the bushings. So here's my wheel, where my wheel goes, and brakes and all that. Cradle, differential. If you follow this guy right up here, this bolt right there is out. And I don't think it's supposed to be out. So me, Miriam, Michael, and Cameron are heading to a car meet right now in McDonough. And Michael's just giving me a little spritz. Thanks, Mike, for the spritz.
GTO fam.
The GTO fam. We got, yikes. 2019 GTO fam. We got Cameron, we got Rainer.
Yep.
Got it. And I don't know your name, I'm sorry. Kristen. I remembered Rainer. That was a stretch. That was, I haven't seen you in years.
Hot boy rims over here.
Oh, it looks really good though. I gotta get a picture. Look how good it looks on camera. Ouch.
We're about to get in trouble.
Yeah, we are. We definitely are. Think of this.
Where's the turbo?
Somewhere, it's hiding somewhere. Hey, your car looks good.
It needs a washing.
Yeah, both of ours need a washing.
God? Is that a Supra?
Oh my God!
Oh my God! All hail the king.
It looks good. I mean, it's just a Supra.
It's a Supra. It's clean. Looks good.
Looks like any of the other cars here. Souped up.
Souped up. It's got a big old intercooler.
It's slow, I bet.
Jeez, that is dirty. That thing is dirty.
That's a bad idea. Such a bad idea.
You got this, dude! Somebody grab one. Next!
Thank you, Nick.
That hurts. Cops are here. Time to go. Cops here. Time to go.
Oh shit.
Let's wait a second. It's time to go. Time to leave. Let's go. All right, so we're heading to the next meetup spot. Oh my God. What's going on? So they're here. Oh! Oh my God.
What are you, stock? Hey, this is stock! Is that stock subscription? Yeah. Bro, I have a... I got air shots. I don't even have stock. I got air shots. We're about to be kicked out.
Second time in a row.
You guys want to go to Walmart?
We're gonna go into Walmart?
Yeah. I like your zoom in.
You like the zoom? Yeah, go. Go hop on.
Jack.
Oh my God.
Shit.
What did you do?
He has a bungee cord holding his shit up. Hell yeah! Bungee cord holding his
that's what
frame
I'm
together.
talking about right there.
Yeah. What the fuck? Actual white trash.
Let's see it.
Guys, no, this shit is
Oh my God.
yeah, buddy!
How much power are you putting down?
85 horsepower.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's 15. It's 15.00. No, you don't understand. You see in there?
The only thing you're missing is zip ties. I know. Do you have any there?
Laying sideways.
Actually, what we did is we took a
Yeah.
12 and we folded up.
There's zip ties right here.
Folded it up like a piece of paper.
Yeah.
So
Hey, you can't
Now
Hentai.
That's sex.
That's just sex. Is it sex?
There's some titties back here. Okay. There's titties and TVs. All I ever need. And Dragon Ball Z. That's all
Oh
you
my
ever
God. Dragon Ball Z hentai.
you ever need.
Mysteries around.
Made out of deep
energy.
That's Andrew? No, I'm Andrew. I'm Andrew. I like this angle. Oh yes! Yeah! He's vaping out of the back of the truck. Let's go back. Where do you want to go now?
I don't know. I want to see more cars almost blow up.
Is this focused on me?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah. Good.
Hi, Brad. You get rid
I have autofocus.
It does. Oh my God. He's burning out. This is your new car?
This is my new car.
What is
Tower over it.
Go for Broke. Shout out to Go for Broke.
Follow him.
Follow him, guys. You know what to do. God, the exhaust tips are just huge. This car's quick.
They're fast. 650 horsepower stock. This one might have more.
Probably.
Dirty. That shoots fireballs. So dirty. I love the smell of napalm in the morning. Going home. Good. Got good rims on it. You like it? It's clean.
It
That's how a
is.
Jeep's supposed to be.
Yes, exactly like this.
Yeah! Rock and roll! Coming back with this. Fuck you! Okay, Tim!
That's how it's done.
All right, Mike.
Let me out, bro.
What's going on? We got cops back there. We're getting kicked out of another spot. This is great.
Hey, who's this? Oh, Mike! It's purple! It's purple! It's purple! These things are so rare. It's Cosmo Purple.
The hood, or the roof is
Carbon?
it's wrapped black.
Oh,
It's perfect.
it's perfect. There is a purple GTO over there.
Really? Who needs tires anyway?
Damn, he's flying.
Where'd that come from?
Boy, some of these people need to calm down.
Hey, what you got?
They never stop. They never stop. There's so much.
What are they thinking?
They don't.
Money down the drain.
They're just. That's just like grabbing 20s and lighting them on fire. That's the equivalent of what they're doing. If there's not oil on the ground, then you didn't do a good burnout.
This is a Honda? Have you seen a Honda Civic?
It's super cool. But have you seen
A Honda with
Civic?
with a fart can exhaust from it.
What a wonderful sound. Where'd I park? Where do we go? Where do we go? Holy.
Where are we going?
What's happening? All right,
Put this on the charger.
we're here.
Food Depot.
We're at Food Depot. I don't know what's happening anymore. It's just a mob of people.
Welcome to IA. I'm having a good time.
So we're back at the other spot because apparently there weren't cops, but there will be
In a minute.
In a minute.
I'm calling it. There's gonna be cops. Don't even say cops. Don't say that.
Don't say it.
Don't say it.
Just go up there and scream, cops!
Hey, don't, not this way. He's gonna do
Woo!
no time.
That's a stop. Where do I go?
Scrambled eggs. That's my car, brother.
He's just driving normally.
He's got this.
How the fuck did he get over there? He missed all the cars.
Supra.
Is that a Supra?
Fucking Supra! What the fuck?
Watch out. I mean, like, hey,
We're out! We're out! We're done! We're done! So I don't know what's happening. The cops just showed up. I might get some air. I think I'm gonna get some air for my tire. We're gonna double check it. Good God. So right down there is where the old other meet was. The little pop-up. Did they get anyone? Doesn't look... Oh, they got someone. They got one car. They picked off one of our fellow buddies. The night over. Me and Mike are heading home. Look at him. Oh, 2 for 2. We're getting some McDonald's. We're done. We're tired.
Was that a Supra? You see it? It's a freaking Supra. I don't know. What? Who? What do you mean?